Hello, welcome to Revit Architecture. I'm sure you've seen plenty of presentations on how wonderful and versatile this 3D Autodesk Revit Architecture revolution is. You may be thinking, this all seems too complicated for what I do. But I've seen some incredibly coordinated sets of drawings with almost textbook adherence to standards and graphics. Here are some hardware considerations to keep in mind. To operate Revit efficiently, it is recommended that you are running on Windows 7. I also recommend that you have at least 8 GB of RAM, at least an i7 dual-core processor with 4 GB of RAM, and a gig of graphics memory. If you don't have all this course won't be an issue. The files are relatively small. But when you get out into the working world with this stuff, you're going to need a beefier system. You can take this recording to your IT department if you like. The project we're going to model is a 5-story mixed-use commercial building. There's an east wing, west wing, and a link linking the two wings together. The east wing features a clear-story staircase that extends up 5 floors. If we take a look through here, we'll see that this is a nice big lobby that we're going to model. We're going to model a big staircase that goes up 5 floors. So if we take a look at it, we just keep going up and up and up. We can take a look looking down. This is what we're going to be modeling in the east wing in the lobby area. If we take a walk through the building, got some exposed columns, got a couple elevator shafts, nice long corridor to practice putting wall sconces and doors in, practice beveling walls, practice odd doors. We come through here, this is the link, practice on doing roofs, all kinds of different roofs, foundation systems, arched openings. The west wing features a nice big radial wall and some classrooms that are set up. Go into a couple of the classrooms. We'll take a look at some of the features we'll be doing in here. Some nice custom wood ceilings with some chandeliers hanging off them, a nice radial soffit to finish things off. So in summary, I'm glad we got to take a walk around the building before we get started. Use the files as much as possible. Good luck, and I'll see you in class.